Hey, it's Pam here, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to animate your deluxe mockups inside of Canva Pro. Now, people asked me in the last video if they could use their own background specific to their niche, and the answer is absolutely. These are just some of the ones I created inside of Canva using Canva AI. You can use whatever you want. Today I'm going to use a simple background and some of the mockup assets to show you how easy it is to take any image and turn it into a deluxe mockup for promoting your business, brand, digital products, and offers daily. And if you want to design your own and create as you watch, you can grab the Deluxe Mockup Vault, the links above or in the comments below. Okay, so this is what we are creating, and I'm going to do it from scratch. Now, to save time, I'm just going to grab the assets, and those of you who have the Deluxe Mockup Vault, you have all of these assets, and you can just drag and drop whatever image or picture that you want onto the page, like that. And then you just position them wherever you want them to be on the page. If you want that to sit on top of the computer, well, then you put it on top of the computer. If you want that to be a little bit bigger, then you make it bigger. And then if you want to change the images, obviously it's all drag and drop. So then I would just drag and drop. Depending on what your niche is, you may, sell journals or whatever. Just trying to, there's one there. Okay, so that's my latest offer. So you can change them to be whatever you want. Okay, so now once you have everything on the page and you're happy with it, then it's time to animate it, and it's super easy. So if you want to animate each one separately, you can, but the one that I like to use the most, I'm not going to animate that one, I'm going to leave that on its own, is I like to use the Tectronic. So you click on the ones that you want to animate. Now click on all three, and then you click on it, and then you come down. If you like the effect that I had before, see how they all come? I don't have to do them individually. They come onto the page and it looks really, really cool. So that's how easy it is for you to be able to animate any of the mock-ups, no matter which ones you're using. I can't wait to see what you create. Have any questions? Leave them below. How easy was that? I told you it was fun. And if you did not watch the previous Deluxe Mockup tutorial, click on the link in the description or at the end of this video so you can go and get even more Deluxe Mockup ideas for your business. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification so you don't miss the next week's Deluxe Mockup Canva tutorial. See you next week.